issued a statement warning that the new militarized distribution system does not meet the needs of people in Gaza. It puts them at risk and runs contrary to humanitarian principles. The humanitarian country team, which brings together UN agencies and NGOs, stressed that the Israeli authorities have undermined the capacity of our own teams on the ground to deliver genuine humanitarian assistance that would reach the most vulnerable groups. Despite these challenges, our teams continue to deliver aid where possible. Once again, they reiterated that fundamental humanitarian principles are non-negotiable. On the ground, our colleagues at OCHA warned that airstrikes and other attacks continue across the Gaza Strip. There are reports of scores of people were killed and hundreds injured over the past 24 hours, including children and other civilians. Earlier today, as attacks intensified, Israeli authorities ordered the medical team at Al-Auda Hospital in North Gaza to evacuate. Efforts are ongoing to move the patients and the medical staff. Al-Auda Hospital is the only remaining partially functioning hospital in North Gaza. The facility is currently overwhelmed with injuries and critically low on supplies. Despite intense insecurity, the World Health Organization and its partners reached the hospital twice in the past week to assess the situation and transfer 57 critical patients to Al-Shifa Hospital. WHO tells us that during the first mission, the team was exposed to nearby airstrikes, shelling, and gunfire. And yesterday in Khan Yunis, the Ministry of Health in Gaza reported that Red Cross Field Hospital in Al-Mawasi was hit, causing injuries and spreading fear amongst patients. On the entry of supplies into Gaza, our OCHA tells us that we continue to send to Karim Shalom many supplies. Yesterday, these included flour, ingredients for community kitchens, and medical items. However, as we mentioned to you yesterday, our efforts to collect cargo from the crossing was denied by the Israeli authorities. We hope to have an update later today if there's positive news to report. The quantity of supplies allowed into Gaza is just a trickle of aid required to meet the immense needs of 2.1 million people at a time when populations across the Strip continue to be at risk of famine. And since you've been asking, I can tell you in the past 10 days, since Karim Shalom reopened, of the nearly 900 trucks approved to enter, almost 600 have been offloaded on the Gaza side of the Karim Shalom crossing, but have not yet been distributed into Gaza itself. They've not reached our warehouses due to the security constraints we've been telling you about. The World Food Program also tells us that hungry people